very curious, where do you see the cost estimation as a construction company moving in the future? Like what kind of
Um,
automations or...
I believe that in the future should be all the projects done with a BIM, even the smaller ones, because it's just always in this procurement phase, but it should also be pushed forward to the construction side, that they use this our model from the procurement phase, from bidding phase, even on the construction side, and not just use it for the to see things visuals, but also for the accounting and different stuffs what you can use from the model. So it's not just it's visual there, you can open it, you can cut it, you can see where you have to do things. That's also good, but I would like to have everything just in one project and everything on one place, all the information together, so you can also make the control of the costs during the whole phase. That's our next step. That's what the BIM coordinator, for example, does. Trying to push it to the construction side and to make more control, first in the step of costs, maybe then in the terms of time scheduling.
Yeah, and especially like when talking about BIM coordination on the work side, I think it's like a endless topic. Like
Yeah,
at least
yeah,
for me, when I'm having project, my focus usually is that we utilize as much as possible the like machine guidance models in excavators, and then also getting the information management correct. Because now when BIM has been how to say, when we are using BIM enabled tools, like I think you have heard of Infrakit or Trimble Connect
no.
or no?
Oh, okay, yeah. People connect, people
Yeah,
connect.
yeah, Trimble Connect. You know the
Ah, okay.
IFC combination modeling software.
Okay, I know just People Connect, but that's some platform for the plans anyway.
Okay,
Yeah,
maybe it's
okay.
a different market, but anyways, like those are how to say, those are more closer to this kind of like a real time model visualization. So, for example, when we are building bridge, we can look at the PDFs, of course, but we can also get the model in front of us and we can look around how it is really built. And I
Hmm.
think that's something like what I see also. And I think it's very interesting thought about when you said that you are also like you are modeling in the cost estimation phase, because I think it's at least for me it takes maybe weeks to make all the models for the construction, and then usually I start doing those when we win a project. But when doing it earlier, I think that's a really good way to really get it strategized
Yeah,
from the start, like all the
yeah,
work plannings and everything, space
yeah,
reservations and so on.
yeah. We are doing that because we try to minimize the risk. As I already mentioned, after you sign the contract, all the risk is on side of the construction company. So if you do this even in the phase when you're applying for the project, then you can minimize the risk. Yeah, if you notice the things which won't work out on the construction side, which can cost more. So if you notice that sort of stuff before you sign the contract, you can always say, I put it in the contract or something like that. So it changes the game.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.